In this video, we're taking an honest look at Hubstaff Talent, a free platform designed to connect freelancers with remote job opportunities. Unlike many competitors, Hubstaff Talent doesn't charge any fees or commissions, making it an attractive option for both freelancers and employers seeking cost-effective solutions. Freelancers can create detailed profiles showcasing their skills, experience, and availability, while employers can post job listings or browse through a vast directory of talent. The platform facilitates direct communication between freelancers and employers, allowing for flexible collaboration without intermediaries. However, it's important to note that some users have reported issues with profile deactivation without clear reasons and slow customer support response times. Additionally, the platform lacks certain features like an applicant tracking system and candidate matching services, which may be a drawback for some employers. Despite these limitations, Hubstaff Talent offers a straightforward and fee-free alternative for those looking to connect with remote work opportunities. If you're considering using Hubstaff Talent, it's advisable to weigh these factors carefully to determine if it aligns with your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest insights on freelance platforms.